Time to move on. It's unbelievable sometimes how chemistry and a fit for a player is such a big deal. It makes all the difference in the world. Wherever. Go to Boston, go to New York, go to L.A. If you're Kevin Love, just get out of Cleveland. It's not working for you. I mean, I don't know what's going to work for him, where he's going to find his happy place again. You know? He wants to be Happy Gilmore. Go to his happy place. Wherever that is, you got to find it, because it's not in Cleveland. And I don't even blame LeBron for it. People are like, oh, you know, LeBron pushed for these trades, and he wanted this to happen. He is the GM of the... Well, all right, yeah, he's kind of the de facto GM of the team. I get it. He has all the control in the world. But do you blame him? I mean, he expected to be in a position where it was win now, the minute he got to Cleveland. He had some young talent. He said, all right, we don't need Andrew Wiggins, too. Get me Kevin Love. Kevin Love wants out. Of course, you're going to trade for another all-star. I mean, it wasn't a bad decision. It's just not working out, and that's fine. Sometimes that